Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Saturday the 31st of December 2016 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 30th of December. Gold rose in US dollar terms last week by $18 from $1,133 to $1,151, having hit a high of 1,163 and a low of 1,131. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £933, that's up £11. And in euros, it closed at €1,095, that's up €12 on the week. Silver rose by 16 cents from $15.78 to $15.94, having reached a high of $16.27 and a low of $15.72. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.91, that's up 7 pence for the week, and in euros it closed at 15.15 euros, that's up 0.06 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose from 71.8 to 1 to 72.2 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 19,762, down 57 points on the day and down 171 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 5,383, down 48 points on the day and down 79 points on the week. Brent crude was up $1.66 at $56.82, and US light crude was up 70 cents at $53.72. The dollar index stands at 102.21. That's down 0.80 on the week. Gold continued to trade bullishly last week, peaking on Friday but carving off $10 of gains towards the end of trading. Care should be taken with respect to such moves, as these are being made under thin market conditions and could be reversed when the markets return back to normal next week. In addition, the squaring off of traders' positions also helped prices a little. There has been a general dollar weakness during this week, and this has helped to correct some of its strength. The real test is likely to come in the next week, when the market begins to return to normal and the liquidity picks up, and it remains to be seen how the dollar will react when this happens. That said, geopolitical tensions are growing between the United States and Russia, which are helping gold gain a foothold. Resistance is seen near the December highs at $1,181. Momentum on the currency pair is positive, as the MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Index, recently generated a crossover buy signal. The index is now suggesting an upward sloping trajectory, which points to higher gold prices. However, it must be borne in mind that these chart indicators are not infallible. Silver markets initially tried to rally on Thursday but found resistance above the $16 level to turn around again and form a shooting star. The shooting star looks likely to signal that the market is ready to continue to go lower, especially if the US dollar continues to strengthen overall. Analysts are predicting a price range between $15 and $16.50 and readily admit that it will prove quite a volatile market, but with a negative slant over the longer term. Next week will provide a reasonable indication as where prices may proceed into the start of 2017. We are still of the opinion that lower prices will be the norm. However, an initial start of year bounce may indeed occur. However, we envisage resistance at the 1175 level for gold and 1640 level for silver. For traders, we suggest you sit on your hands until a direction is established. And for physical buyers, as always, prices are relatively cheap, but we believe may become cheaper once 2017 gets underway. We shall announce the winners of our gold and silver price forecast competition tomorrow, as we need to check all of the predictions thoroughly, and we are planning on going out for the New Year's Eve party, so apologies for the delay. However, if you know that you have correctly predicted the price, by all means send us an email. Needless to say, we hope you had a very Merry Christmas and would like to take this opportunity to wish each and every one of you a happy and prosperous New Year. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owner.